So, I am out feeding my chickens in a freaking blizzard. Like, it's a blizzard. You can't really see much. It's cold. It's really cold. We got a lot of snow in Michigan. I'm in the thumb, and I know I'm not the only area that got snow. But that's okay. Whew. It's so cold. Anyways, this is our snowstorm. It's fun. It's so fun. And I have chickens that still need me to water them and feed them. I already fed them, but I still had to water them. Whew. But she's cold. It's so cold, it's gotten to the point where they've gotten snow in their house, and their house is very sturdy, but there's snow in there. So this is why I keep doing videos talking about wanting to get my chickens into a bigger shed-like house. Have the Amish build something for them. Whew, she cold. And fresh water goes. And nice fresh water. They got themselves a heated dog dish. When it's not a blizzard, I'm going to be able to clean it out, put new fresh bedding in. Oh, I didn't get their eggs. They absolutely love the mealworms I got them. So that's very good. Whew. See what we got for eggs. Yeah, we got quite a bit of snow. Check this out, you guys. Like, we got some good drifts. Well, not drifts. These are from our snowmobile. But she's snowing pretty good. You know, last video I did about the snow, I was like, oh yeah, we're not gonna get no snow. Yeah, I was wrong. I was very wrong. And you guys are eating all your eggs. Stop it, guys. They're eating all their flipping eggs. This one just has a hole in it now, so they might as well just finish that one. Gosh darn it. Drives me nuts. Feed them lots of stuff so that they can produce eggs, and then they eat it all. Grr. All right, I'm gonna go warm up. See y'all later.